Hey there, ocean lovers and myth enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of mermaids. From ancient legends to contemporary folklore, mermaids have captivated our imaginations for centuries. And did you know, there are some real-life mermaids who have impressive underwater abilities? So, let's get started with our top 5 fascinating facts about mermaids. Number 1. More than 3,000 years ago, the first mermaid legend was written down in ancient Assyria. It tells the story of the goddess Atargatis, who transformed into a mermaid out of shame for accidentally killing her human lover. Imagine that! The story of the mermaid is truly an ancient tale that has been captivating humans for thousands of years. Number 2. Have you ever wondered where the name mermaid comes from? It actually originates from the Old English word merwif, which means sea lady, and the term merman comes from the Old English word merman, meaning seaman. It's fascinating to see how language and culture have influenced the way we perceive these mythical creatures. Number 3. In modern-day folklore, it's often believed that mermaids are attracted to shiny objects like jewelry or coins. This could have originated from the fact that some fish species are attracted to bright items and would follow them. So, if you're ever swimming in the ocean with your valuables, you might want to keep an eye out for any curious mermaids. Number 4. Some people can hold their breath underwater for an impressive amount of time, and these individuals are often referred to as mermaids. The current world record for the longest time holding one's breath underwater is an incredible 24 minutes and 3 seconds, held by Alix Segura Vendrell. That's longer than some of us can hold our breaths above water. Number 5. Did you know that the mermaid is the second most recognizable emblem for Starbucks, after its staff? It's true! The famous coffee chain's creative director, Steve Murray, confirmed that the mermaid symbol is indeed more recognizable than the company's name or logo. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 fascinating facts about mermaids. From ancient legends to modern-day folklore, mermaids have been captivating humans for thousands of years. Whether you believe in their existence or not, there's no denying the mystique and allure of these mythical creatures. Thanks for joining me on this underwater adventure, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.